Hey guys, welcome back. Kyle Dittman here, Bullion RV, Duluth, Minnesota. And today I get the pleasure to show you this brand new 2024 Travato, the 59G. If you're looking for a head turner, this is it. Bright orange, great graphics, brand new. I mean, this thing is sweet. So we'll get you on the outside, we'll get you inside, and we'll see what you think. Start right up front here. A lot of great features right at the front door. You got your front scare light. You do have an armless awning that has a wind sensor on it. LED strip under that. Right down here, you got a really nice step up. On the ends, you do have a spot to hook up your pets if you have any of those. There is also an LED strip under there. I don't know if Charlie can get the reflection in the, our puddles. It's been raining for the last like 7 days here in Duluth, so water everywhere. We're finally getting a chance to get a video in between the dry spots. So, really cool, like I said, nice bright orange. I mean, just look at that thing going down the road. Cool graphics in the back of it here. Also in the back, you're gonna have a couple different plug-ins. So cable, a 12 volt, and then you do have a Zamp solar plug in here too. So if you got a Zamp briefcase solar, you do have two panels on the roof, one bigger panel and one smaller panel up there. But if you want more, you got that going on. You also have power outside as well. Whoop! Watch out for the cones there. Around the back side of the Travato here, this is going to be kind of your outdoor shower, outdoor space here. So you can see these bars will kind of clip together, put a shower curtain across the back here. So you have a nice outdoor shower. All your water hookups are right in the back corner here. So like I said, hot and cold water, city water, really easy diagram to kind of hook it up, switch it around to the style of camping. Winterizing is all on there too. So nice Nautilus system right here in the back. Nice spot to keep your hose for the shower out here. Again, another one of those scare lights, little light out back. So if you're out here, late at night, early in the morning, just want a little extra light, you got that back here. And then a nice storage compartment back here for all your toiletries and shower needs. Maybe throw some 3M hooks in this compartment to kind of hang some stuff. That'd be a good idea. Travato comes with a towing package, so you can tow about 3,000 pounds with this rig or have a 300-pound hitch. You do have the 4-way and 7-way plug back here, so you're all set, ready to go on that. Really nice blackout zipper shades back here. If you ever get to a dealership or anything like that, feel these. I mean, they're not just some flimsy. They got insulation in the middle of them to really help in those cold weather temperatures or even some hotter temperatures to kind of keep that stuff out really nice and also keep out that sun. So they're really thick. You're really gonna like those once you actually get to, kind of touch them, see them. So that's gonna be on both windows there. I mean, even little things like this little grab handle that pulls off that can help you kind of give you a little more extension from the inside to open these doors. If you were climbing into the back of the rig, you do also have a nice grab handle back here, along with this drop-down shade that comes from the top for the bugs and stuff. So nice zipper on the drop-down shade there. Backup camera, all that stuff for you. If we shut one of these doors, you're gonna notice you have a ladder on board already as well. So cool thing with this ladder, just unscrew it down at the bottom here. You pick this ladder up and you can move it around the side of the rig. There's a whole rack that runs the length of the rig, and that'll drop down, and so you can kind of get stuff up there, walk up that ladder, check those seals along the side of the rig, which is really cool. Termination valve right in the back here for you. And then right here, you got your Truma Aqua Hot system on board. So furnace and hot water through the Truma system. Spot to store your Stinky Slinky down here. Fuel, or your propane, excuse me, is right down here. And your 30 amp plug. So all in one really nice location. This rig does have a generator on board. So if you're worried about camping off grid, not having power hookups, this has a generator on board, which is gonna be great for you guys. And then also you're gonna have another scare light on the back side of this rig. So if you're coming in late at night, again early in the morning, or if you're just kind of walking on the back side of the rig where there's not much light, you do have a light back here to light that up for you. Nice little step up to get into the driver's seat. You kind of got the dual step up. Right now we got the seats turned around to kind of show you the space in there. So But the dual step up to get you in, which is gonna be nice. The Travatos are in a Ram, but if you guys are watching this video, you probably already know that. Travatos are the #1 selling B vans out there, and for a good reason. They're a really great rig, everything in there, really nice tight size. So let's get you inside. Right as you walk in, you are gonna have another drop down screen. We'll drop this one down to kind of show you what it looks like. You can drop this guy down, zip it up, and then what's cool too is you have this little magnet that will allow it to open without having to unzip it and zip it open all the time. So keeping all the bugs out, keeping the dogs in, you know, whatever you got. If you got pets, if they're trying to run out, that way you can have some nice airflow and still keep them inside. Nice and safe. Also, when you walk in, you're gonna have the power tower, a couple plugins, a couple USBs with this really great table. This is transferable from here. You can put it over here. I believe those are the only 2 spots for the table. It does like oscillate and move around, so whether you're sitting up front or you're kind of sitting back here, you want to do anything, this table does move around, which is going to be great and versatile for you. As you can see, we got the chairs swiveled around. So this does seat 4, buckles up 4. Really only sleeps 3 because it does have that blow-up mattress that goes between the 2 fronts. I can kind of show you that in the back when we get there. But if you're traveling with 4 people or maybe a couple little kids where you're going to throw a tent out front anyway, this is a great rig for you. Storage up top. Right now they have all the window coverings and everything for the windshield and the side windows stored up there, so that's a good spot for those. Then you can kind of tuck a couple extra little things up there. You also have some storage right down by your feet. In these vans, storage is key, so anywhere you can find it, take it. Let's see. So talk about little storage. Pop these seats up. You got a little storage back there. I'd throw a couple tools or something in there just so they're always on board. One nice thing with Winnebagos too is all these doors are locked. So going down the road, this door is locked, so you just have your one little switch. All hidden hinges, they all hold up by themselves. Right here you got your manuals bag, so if you ever forget anything, we do have a full orientation here that we go through. We fill the motorhomes with gas, we fill them with propane. We give you a great walkthrough to make you feel as educated as possible and feel really good about taking this straight to the campsite. All that stuff's included in the deal, and I said, if you forget anything, all your bags are right in there. Or we're just a phone call away if you give me a call. Happy to help you out. TV in this rig as well, so it's not, I don't believe it moves. Let's see, it does. Look at this swing arm on that beast. You can bring that around, so if you are in the back, you're watching TV in the back, or if you're up here just kind of lounging in the front seats with it turned around, you got that too. So that's a huge swing arm TV. Kitchen space in here. You get everything you need to get done. You got the nice little counter extender, or like I said, you could use that table over there that you got going on. Sink cover, stainless steel sink, high-rise faucets. You can get your stuff under here. You really got a nice little 2-burner cooktop in here. Power lights for some of the coaches right down here. Really nice pull drawers, and then again, these are all on the same lock-in mechanism as all of the overhead storage as well. Right under here, you can probably fit a nice skinny garbage can right down there. Little pantry on this unit. Or if you wanted to, these shelves are adjustable, these down ones, and you do have a hanging bar. So if you did want to put some clothes in here, for some wardrobe storage, you got that. And then on the back side of this one, Charlie gets over here, it does have a mirror, so you can make sure that if you're going out anywhere special, you can make sure you look nice on that mirror. Max air fan in this unit, so that's really going to move some air. So if you have the door open with the screen, maybe a couple windows, and you're just blasting that fan, that's really going to move some air and circulate that air through here. It's going to be really nice. Fridge and freezer, hard to find in a Class B, so nice size freezer down there with a good size fridge. Again, like I said, with the Class B, so if you've been shopping for Class Bs, you know that the bigger fridges are hard to come by, so having that's going to be really nice. Microwave in the unit here. So this bed is kind of like your Murphy bed style. So if you guys have any bikes, or maybe if you have like blow up kayaks, maybe a stand up paddle board, you know, stuff like that, stand it up through here. You got the bed that folds up for you. You got the storage drawer here. This is going to be your breaker box right down here. I like how they cover that up and kind of make it look nice and clean. Storage. This is that blow-up mattress I was telling you about that goes between the seats up front for you. Nice little pockets that are all connected, so whatever you got going on in here, you can Velcro this open, and another nice deep pocket to throw stuff. So again, just always, where can I add storage in a B van? It's always really hard to find. Shower, you got your wet bath in here, so I'll kind of let them show you before you hop in there. Shower head. Nice small sink, spot for some storage for your shampoos, maybe your toilet, toilet paper has a little cover. Right now I have it in shower mode. They're trying to keep it like as much dry bath, I feel like, as they can with their curtain here. But as you can see, you do have your toilet right in the back with some storage, hanging bars, all that stuff right by there. So, I mean, I'm a shorter guy, so it's not tough, but I am a bigger guy. I mean, I'm a good 240. I'm in here, the door's shut. I mean, it's tight, but it's a van, and I'll tell you what, I'm coming out smelling better than I'm going in, if that's the plan. So it'll work. It'll get the job done. And if that doesn't work, like I said, you got that outdoor shower in the back. So if you're a little more free-spirited and you want to go out in the outside, that's great, which is cool too, because then it keeps all the water outside of the tanks inside. You got an AC on this unit. So again, with a generator, the AC, you'll be able to go anywhere. If you got your pets with you, maybe they're in the back. Some people like to run the generator while they're going down the road to turn this AC on to keep it really cool back here. If you got a lot of people, otherwise you're just relying on the front. So, what other systems we got? So this is, and then this is going to be all of kind of talking about. You got your generator, start, stop. This is going to be your Truma system. You got your inverter, LP stuff. Your holding tanks have a heater on them. So all that stuff is all going to be in one nice, convenient location right as you walk in the door. They throw you the flying W, so you can hang some stuff right here when you walk in. So, and that's kind of different. Just noticed that now, but throwing you the sound bar right up under here for the TV, so that's kind of a neat spot for it. And then let's drop down this bed. So this bed, so it's kind of tough as these legs have like a strut assist on them. And then a belt buckle. So drop the belt buckle. We'll drop the bed down, and then we can kind of just pull that leg down, and that'll drop. And then move this bed around. And like I said, I'm 5'8", 5'9". Definitely good for one person. Two people on here would fit. You know, it would be a little snug depending on the size of you guys, but definitely, you know, great for one person. People are moving into these things as maybe almost like an everyday driver because of the gas mileage and because of what they got going on, or they're putting on a lot of miles. So kind of a great option there. You got a nice storage head over as well. And then Winnebago does some cool stuff. Gives you a little basket for maybe your devices, because you got plugins right up top here. And then you do have another bar that kind of runs like the table bar, but they sell things on Amazon, little, you know, connector pieces. So if you have your cell phone or an iPad or anything like that that you want to hang from that, they sell those things, and there's a little bar that's all set up under there. So I believe that's it. This is the 59G Travato, just got here, bright orange. Like I said, you want to turn some heads, give me a call. Kyle Dittman, Bullion RV. You can text me or call me at 218-740-4964. I'd love to work with you. Happy to help you out any way I can. Like I said, here to help, so shoot me a text. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.